Energy-efficient windows. Lafayette, Louisiana are a smart upgrade for homeowners who want lower utility costs, better comfort, and stronger curb appeal. New windows for homes in Lafayette, Louisiana can help reduce heat transfer, improve insulation, and support year-round indoor comfort in Louisiana weather. Low-E glass windows, insulated glass windows, double-pane windows, and triple-pane windows all deliver strong performance for residential window replacement and home window replacement projects. When paired with weatherproof replacement windows and window weatherproofing, the result is less air leakage, improved temperature control, and better value for any property needing replacement windows. Lafayette. Residential window replacement. Lafayette, Louisiana starts with choosing the right style, size, and frame material for each opening. A residential window contractor can assess the home, recommend custom window fitting, and provide house window installation that matches the property's design and energy goals. Homeowners looking for replacement windows. Lafayette, Louisiana often compare vinyl replacement windows, premium vinyl windows. Lafayette, Louisiana, and custom residential windows. Lafayette, Louisiana for durability and low maintenance. Window contractors. Lafayette, Louisiana can also handle window frame replacement, window frame installation. Lafayette, Louisiana, sash replacement, and window glazing, making it easier to complete a full house window replacement in Lafayette. Drafty window installation is often the first step before a full upgrade, especially when older units have failing seals or worn components. Window seal replacement, window retrofitting, and window upgrade services can extend performance while improving efficiency. For homes with older frames, house window installation may include sash replacement, insulated windows. Lafayette, Louisiana, and low-E glass windows to stop drafts and reduce energy loss. Affordable window replacement. Lafayette, Louisiana options are available for homeowners who need practical solutions without sacrificing quality, especially when planning for replacement windows. Lafayette that deliver long-term comfort and savings. Local window replacement experts. Lafayette can also recommend the best replacement windows. Lafayette for long-term savings and comfort. Noise-reducing windows are a major benefit for homes near busy streets, schools, commercial corridors, or growing neighborhoods in Lafayette Parish. Double-pane windows. Lafayette, Louisiana and triple-pane windows help limit outside noise while improving insulation and comfort. Window upgrade solutions. Lafayette, Louisiana often include insulated glass windows and energy-efficient windows. Lafayette, Louisiana for stronger sound control and better performance. Home improvement windows. Lafayette, Louisiana can also be selected in styles like casement windows, sliding windows, picture windows, and awning windows to match the architecture. Replacement windows. Lafayette should deliver both quiet living and long-term durability. Custom window fitting is essential for older homes, unique openings, and properties that need precise installation. Lafayette LA home window installation often requires accurate measurements, custom residential windows. Lafayette, Louisiana, and experienced residential window installers near Lafayette LA who understand local construction styles. New construction windows may be appropriate for additions or major remodels, while window retrofitting works well for existing homes. Lafayette Parish window replacement projects benefit from professional planning, especially when dealing with window frame installation. Lafayette, Louisiana, residential glass replacement, or weatherproof replacement windows. Quality fitting improves performance, appearance, and overall efficiency. Vinyl replacement windows. Lafayette remain popular because they combine value, durability, and easy care. Many homeowners choose replacement windows. Lafayette, Louisiana with insulated glass windows, double-pane windows, and low-E glass windows to maximize energy performance. Residential window replacement and home window replacement services can include sash replacement, window seal replacement, and window glazing to restore function and appearance. For properties needing a stronger visual impact, picture windows, casement windows, and sliding windows offer style and practicality. Local window replacement experts. Lafayette can help compare materials, finishes, and installation methods for the best result. Replacement windows. Lafayette can transform both older homes and newer properties by improving efficiency, beauty, and everyday comfort. Window installation services. Lafayette, LA are often tailored to the specific structure, whether the project involves house window replacement in Lafayette, LA residential glass replacement, or a full set of energy-efficient windows, Lafayette, Louisiana. Residential window installers near Lafayette, LA can also recommend insulated windows, Lafayette, Louisiana, noise reduction windows, Lafayette, Louisiana, and vinyl replacement windows, Lafayette. With expert work, homeowners gain better temperature control, reduced maintenance, and a cleaner exterior look that supports lasting property value. Window upgrade services are especially useful when a home needs more than simple installations. Drafty window replacement, Lafayette, window frame replacement, and window seal replacement can correct performance problems while preserving the home's original character. A residential window contractor may suggest custom window fitting, new windows for homes in Lafayette, Louisiana, or window retrofitting depending on the condition of the openings. For added efficiency, triple-pane windows, low-E glass windows, and insulated glass windows are excellent choices. Weatherproof replacement windows, Lafayette can also help protect against humidity, rain, and seasonal temperature swings. Best replacement windows, Lafayette options often combine aesthetics, performance, and installation quality in one package. Lafayette, LA home window installation may include premium vinyl windows, Lafayette, Louisiana, double-pane windows, Lafayette, Louisiana, and custom residential windows, Lafayette, Louisiana to fit each room's needs. House window installation can also cover awning windows, casement windows, picture windows, and sliding windows for flexible design choices. Whether the goal is residential window replacement, home window replacement, or affordable window replacement, Lafayette, Louisiana, the right contractor can deliver dependable results. For replacement windows, Lafayette, local expertise matters. For residential window replacement, Lafayette, Louisiana, homeowners choose replacement windows, Lafayette, Louisiana to improve comfort, curb appeal, and value. House window installation in Lafayette Parish window replacement projects often starts with energy-efficient windows, Lafayette, Louisiana, vinyl replacement windows, Lafayette, and double-pane windows, Lafayette, Louisiana for better insulation and lower utility bills. Local window replacement experts, Lafayette and window contractors, Lafayette, Louisiana provide custom residential windows, Lafayette, Louisiana, affordable window replacement, Lafayette, Louisiana, and best replacement windows, Lafayette for older homes, newer builds, and renovation upgrades across Lafayette, Louisiana neighborhoods. Drafty window installation in Lafayette often leads to full home window replacement when damaged frames, failing seals, or outdated glass reduce efficiency. Window frame replacement, Lafayette, Louisiana, window seal replacement, and window weatherproofing help stop air leaks, moisture intrusion, and noise problems. Insulated windows, Lafayette, Louisiana, and noise reduction windows, Lafayette, Louisiana are especially popular for busy streets, commercial corridors, and homes near high traffic areas. For homeowners needing window upgrade solutions, Lafayette, Louisiana, a residential window contractor can recommend weatherproof replacement windows, Lafayette, that match style and performance goals. Custom window fitting is essential for Lafayette, Louisiana home window installation, especially when dealing with older architecture, unique openings, or remodeling projects. Window retrofitting, sash replacement, and window glazing can restore function while preserving the look of the home. New construction windows and house window replacement in Lafayette are also common for additions, expansions, and full property renovations. Lafayette, LA residential glass replacement, low-E glass windows, insulated glass windows, and triple-pane windows provide strong thermal performance for hot Louisiana summers and seasonal storms. Vinyl replacement windows, Lafayette remain a top choice for home improvement windows, Lafayette, Louisiana because they are durable, low maintenance, and cost-effective. Premium vinyl windows, Lafayette, Louisiana pair well with energy-efficient windows, double-pane windows, and triple-pane windows for long-term savings. Window installation services, Lafayette, Louisiana offer casement windows, sliding windows, picture windows, and awning windows to fit modern and traditional homes. Residential window installers near Lafayette, LA can also help homeowners select best replacement windows, Lafayette for specific goals like more daylight, better ventilation, or improved security. Replacement windows. Lafayette projects often begin with a thorough inspection of existing frames, glass, and seals. Window frame installation. Lafayette, Louisiana. Window frame replacement and window upgrade services address structural wear before it becomes a bigger issue. New windows for homes in Lafayette, Louisiana can dramatically improve comfort and appearance while supporting energy-efficient windows. Lafayette, Louisiana performance standards. From residential window replacement to custom window fitting and residential glass replacement, homeowners across Lafayette Parish window replacement markets rely on skilled window contractors. Lafayette, Louisiana for lasting results, value, and better indoor comfort with replacement windows. Lafayette.